Today, guys, we're I have a voice chat, so you can hear me. Those days that I post, it was cringe, right? You say in the comments that it's cringe. I know. But this time, I'm gonna post another Minecraft but 100 days and Geometry Dash coming soon. And guys, there's a Geometry Dash movie coming soon in my channel. I'm gonna make a trailer. Okay, guys, so let's go. So let's get mining, I guess. So I'm on hardcore, so if I die, I will just gonna delete this. Ooh, I'd mine this for like an hour. Okay. Oh my god, it's cold. God.
No, there. Right. I'm going to cut off.
Oh my god. Did I just see?
Hello. Oy.
Did I just see? Oh my. It's my
It's
lucky.
sit here.
I'm the luckiest man in the world. Oh my. I have a coal and I have emerald. Oh my god.
Ay, naku, sige.
Oh my god, emerald!
It's hot. Oh,
Hey,
okay,
okay. Sheesh. So, do I just mine it? Oh. I think you need, what it's called again? Iron. You need iron. And also, guys, did you not know, or did you know that I have a texture pack? Right, yeah, I have a texture pack. So, do I wanna make it or not? I do have I can make this though, but it's hard, it's risky, but I gotta do it. Guys, did you know that I thought it was diamond because this wasn't here, so I thought it was diamond, but I did put some torches and I mined one of those and it was copper, so this is not diamonds. Oh. Huh? Okay, I should take a picture. Yeah, I should take a picture. Ooh. Guess I'm gonna take a picture. Well, I think it was not great picture. It was blurry and it was okay, so let's mine this. Our very own. So I need to put this. I'll make sure you will safe with me. So guys, this is the end of the video. So if you want more of this one days, okay, but I just want to make sure you guys are safe, and guys, so I know this is too short for me because I just film I just record this on my craft because I was bored and I don't know. Oh, skeleton. So guys, this is my. I hope you guys like it. Oh, just one shot. I should design this, I think, because I don't. Okay, I should. Yup, it's copper. I know it. Okay. Oh, I have bones though. I can. Okay, so. I hope you guys like it or anything. Okay. Where's my shovel? Oh yeah, there it is. Wait, it's getting nighttime. I know it's getting nighttime because oh, it's not getting, but I think I'm blind because it's like, you know, it's very dark, you know. It's very dark. Told you. Wait. Oh, how did I? Oh my god, I'm bad. I'm bad at digging stuff. Oh my god, I'm a bad digger. How do I get a job when I'm so bad at jobs? Well, goodbye guys. See you in the next one. And also guys, be safe. Anjon out.